Welcome to this video on magnification. Magnification is the amount by which something is made to look bigger than it really is. In biology, we normally talk about how much magnification a microscope provides. The word magnify comes from the Latin magnus, meaning great, and facere, to make. So when we put these together, magnus facere means to make great. The magnification value of a microscope tells you how many times it makes the object bigger. A compound microscope contains two lenses, an eyepiece lens and an objective lens. Each of these lenses has the ability to magnify an object that would be mounted on a slide and placed here on the stage of the microscope. To calculate the magnification of this compound microscope, we would take the magnification of the eyepiece lens and multiply it by the magnification of the objective lens. For example, imagine this microscope has a magnification of its eyepiece lens of times 4 and the magnification of its objective lens is times 100. To work out the entire magnification of the microscope, we take the magnification of the eyepiece lens and multiply it by the magnification of the object's lens. In this case, 4 times 100 equals 400. So the magnification for the entire microscope would be times 400. To summarize this slide, we will say that a microscope contains two lenses, an eyepiece lens and an objective lens. And to calculate the magnification of the entire microscope, we do the magnification of the eyepiece lens times the magnification of the objective lens. Magnification is the amount by which the image of an object is enlarged. To calculate the magnification of a micrograph, we find the size of the image and we divide it by the size of the actual object. This is a micrograph of E. coli bacteria. I've already measured the length of the highlighted bacteria on the original micrograph, and that was 35 millimeters. 35 millimeters is equal to 35 times 10 to the minus 3 meters. And we know that the actual size of an E. coli bacterium is approximately 2 micrometers, which is 2 times 10 to the minus 6 meters. So, to calculate the magnification of this micrograph, we do 35 times 10 to the minus 3 divided by 2 times 10 to the minus 6, and this tells me that the magnification of this micrograph is 17,500. So, to summarize, magnification is the size of an image divided by the size of the actual object. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe below. For more information about Kippers Consultancy, please visit our website kippersconsultancy.co.uk, where you will find more information on our range of videos and tutorial classes that will help you to improve your A-level grades and get ahead. You can also follow us on Instagram. The link is provided below. Alternatively, if you would like to speak directly with a tutor, call 07939 055 881. Thanks. Bye for now.